Hey guys, I got two new chicken wraps from KFC. One's the mac and cheese chicken wrap. Watch me eat this. They got like the regular mac and cheese chicken wrap. They got KFC chicken wrap. They got a spicy, I think, chicken wrap. Then they got like the honey mustard chicken wrap, and they got like I think that's about it. That one was good. This is the classic chicken wrap. I was gonna get these a couple days ago and do a video on it, but for some reason the order got canceled on DoorDash, and I think maybe KFC was probably closed at the location I picked or something. Yeah, and I'd like to give a shout out to Annie Cotton Field. Hope you're doing well, and thanks for enjoying my channel. Those are delicious. If y'all got a KFC where you guys are at, go out and grab them. I give them about 7.5. They were really delicious, though. Well, till my next review, you guys have a good one. See ya.